In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test email deliverability in Salesforce. This quick built-in check helps you confirm that your Salesforce org can successfully send emails and that they're not being filtered or blocked along the way. It's a safe way to validate your configuration without touching any real records or customer data. Start from your Salesforce home screen and look to the top right corner. Click the gear icon, then choose Open Advanced Setup. That takes you into the admin area where all the configuration tools live. Even if you don't spend much time here, don't worry. This process is straightforward and only takes a moment. Once you're in Advanced Setup, use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Type Test Deliverability and then select it from the results. This page is dedicated to sending a controlled set of messages from your Salesforce org so you can verify that outbound mail is working as expected. It uses your organization's current email settings, which makes it a reliable way to isolate deliverability issues without introducing complexity. On the Test Deliverability page, enter the email address where you want the test to be sent. Choose an inbox you can access easily. Many people use their own work address for convenience. This allows you to see exactly how messages from your Salesforce org appear in a real mailbox, including subjects, senders, and formatting. It's also helpful for confirming that company security tools and spam filters handle these emails correctly. Behind the scenes, this feature sends a small batch of messages designed to represent different email formats and headers. That variety makes it easier to spot configuration issues like domain authentication problems or content that might be flagged by filters. Because it's a controlled test, you don't need to set up templates or campaigns first, and you won't affect any users, leads, or contacts. A few quick tips as you use this tool. Make sure you have the right level of access to Open Advanced Setup, use an address you're authorized to test with, and keep the address consistent across tests so you can compare results over time. If you work in multiple environments, such as sandboxes, this test helps you confirm each one is configured correctly. And there you go. By opening Advanced Setup, searching for test deliverability, and entering the email you want to use, you've completed the essential workflow for validating Salesforce email deliverability. That's all you need to confidently confirm your org can send messages as intended.